like me. I don't have any friends.
Oh my gosh. Robin Hood, he is so cute. Oh my god, I love your hat. Your hat is so cute. I love it. Thank you. Oh my gosh, Robin Hood. So cute.
Okay, let's break it up.
We are part of the Click Police.
Yeah. Alright, I'm sorry, but we're gonna have to write all of you a click ticket.
All of us?
Yeah.
What? Why? We did absolutely nothing wrong.
We said hi to her and everything.
She could join if she wanted.
Yeah.
The click problem goes two ways.
Yeah, no one likes Click.
We'll show you how to fix it. Let's break it down for you. We've got 14 clicks to break clicks, and whether you're in or out, you gotta hear this.
Guard against partiality, judging on looks, dress, and popularity.
Guard against jealousy with all your friends. It's all God's gifts. You gotta share it.
3. Guard against thinking yourself. If you don't know it,
Fight selfishness, destructiveness, and passivity. Because
7. Read Ephesians 4:29. You gotta guard your tongue, though. That's pretty kind.
the next 7 is for you, the one on the outside. Friendships are mysterious, so don't waste your time.
9. Look for lonely people.
Maybe it is. If you don't know, they are. 10's pretty simple. Gotta love them, yo. Even when their love for you doesn't really show.
11. Love believes the best each and every time.
I don't rhyme. Here's the next line.
You wanna be a good friend. Don't pick and choose.
And like the inside, guard your mouth, too.
In God's family, we're all sisters and brothers.
And it's our call from God to love one another.
Don't throw this away.
You gotta use these terms.